Hayashi here with Hayashi Trades. So I just want to talk about what's happening in the market today. Quick pre-market chit chat. Market opens in 25 minutes. So I really want to know what AMD and Starbucks are doing today because they have their earnings reports happening after hours. So normally when that happens and there's positive outlooks and expectations, you can reasonably expect that they're probably going to run up until the earnings report or until market close, and then once that comes out, and then the market will react appropriately given what the numbers are. There could also be a sell-off if people are profit taking, but because the volume is lower after hours, that could be a very volatile move, and depending what side of options you are on, you might get IB crushed. So I don't like to hold into earnings. I usually just go with shares or get out before the big move happens and the earnings report comes out. So that being said, let's check out Starbucks. So Starbucks closed yesterday at $77.74. It's been running up. It's been running up a bit. The VWAP was at 77.49. Now it's all the way up at 78.78. So depending, it could go up to 80 or even above. It looks like there's a lot of limit sells set at $82. So that could be an indication of where it's expected to move today after earnings. And I do think that they would actually probably do pretty good if I had to wager a guess myself, because coffee is coffee and they have their drive-thrus and people still want to go and get Starbucks and maybe practice social distancing in a cafe with a table that's really long and you're 6 feet apart. Just kidding. Okay, anyway. So Starbucks, now let's check out AMD. What did AMD do? So AMD is up about $1. Closed yesterday at 56.49, now trading at 57.40 or 39. Okay, I think that AMD has potential to go to 60. I think that the demand for electronics and microchips is still there during this time. And I could see that I can say that their earnings would probably not be too bad. I don't think that they've been so adversely affected by what's going on. Okay, last thing to look at, SPY overall. And then I think I'm going to sneak in Tesla there because you all know how I feel about Tesla. That's Bay. Okay. SPY is up quite a lot. Closed yesterday at $287.05. Now it's trading at $291. It could literally, I shouldn't say literally, but I think it has potential to test even 295 or 300 by the end of the week. Of course, not 300 today, but going to the daily chart, daily time frame, there's potential to move up even more. It's already past 290, so let's go up here. 313, I definitely don't think it's going to get there, but it's looking very bullish. It's in an uptrend, and I think that 300 by the end of the week is not completely out of the question. So let's see. Always on my watch list. And Tesla, what are you doing? Okay, Tesla, you're almost at exactly the same price that you closed at. It did sell off after hours a bit. It was when was it at 8:05? Okay, let's investigate. This is the first time I looked at Tesla today, so that's why you're hearing me get all surprised. Okay, so it did hit above 800, so that's very bullish, and it was holding there. Dipped under VWAP 775, kind of stayed in that range. Then made it above VWAP again at 804. Now it's sitting below, but it's really respecting VWAP, and it's respecting the moving average. So you see the yellow line down here. It kind of stayed there, then bounced and went above VWAP again. It was at 801. Okay, so that makes me think that Tesla could move even more. I unfortunately took a small loss on Tesla last week because I was thinking that it would do this last week, and it ended up doing it this week, but it just needed more time. So that pattern was there, but it needed more time to develop. So Here is Tesla. I think I want to see what it does when it stays in that 800 range. It's honestly holding it really, really well. So, given that, let's go to the daily and see. So, it's curving up, it's in an uptrend. All-time highs were all-time high was 968.99, but it kind of dipped there and then it peaked to another resistance at 914. Honestly, in the next 2 weeks, if it keeps up this momentum, Tesla is a beast of a stock. I would not be surprised to see it go to 900 again. It could happen. I think it definitely has the potential, and Tesla, once it kind of gets the buyers in there, it could, along with SPY, AMD, and StarBucks. All right? Have a fabulous trading day. I will chat to you later. Ciao!